guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create the dancing dogs video trend that's been going around on TikTok. It is like my favorite trend because the animated dogs are just so cute. So you're just going to select new project here, and you are going to select a video. You're going to select add, and then you are going to add in an overlay to that. So select overlay, add overlay, and add in this video of like the dancing dogs. If you want to screen record it, I'm just going to let you do that now, but I just downloaded this off of TikTok, so I'll just change the aspect ratio for you guys first, and then I am going to let you guys screen record this. So 1, 2, 3, screen record. Wait, let me just check if the volume is off. Okay, there you go. Okay, there you go. That's your screen record. And then you're going to want to select the actually I'm just going to make my video like super zoomed in. Okay, then you're going to select the green screen, go to cut out, and you're going to select chroma key, and you're going to select the green bit, and you're going to adjust the intensity like that, and you're also going to adjust the shadow as well. It doesn't have to be exactly how I adjust it. We're just going to adjust it as you go. I'm actually going to only use the end part of my video, like around here. There you go. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!